G'day guys, Steve here from Service My Ride, and today I'm down here with Will from Engine Carbon Clean. We're going to perform a Stage 2 clean on my 2010 GLXR Mitsubishi Triton. My Triton currently has 281,000 on the clock, and I've only recently just fitted the catch can from Western Filters plus the EGR delete cable. Before any work is carried out, the engine is scanned for any engine codes, and on this scan, no codes were found. A Stage 2 clean requires the manifold to be removed. In order to do that, you need to remove the battery, the intercooler pipe and the throttle body. Unplug and move the harness to the side, and then you can remove the EGR valve. Once all the components have been removed, they are then stripped down and placed into the ultrasonic bath for cleaning. During the combustion process, whether it's petrol or a diesel engine, not all the fuel gets burnt. The unburnt fuel leaves behind carbon, which over time builds up and causes a number of issues. Loss of performance, louder engine, lumpy idle, smoky exhaust, increased emissions and a drop in fuel economy. Once cleaned, the parts are inspected and dried before being reinstalled with new gaskets. A ProVent 200 catch can from Western Filters should also be fitted to stop the oily residue from entering the manifold. Now the engine is back together, it is started and inspected for any leaks. Then a Stage 1 is performed. With the unit connected to the air intake of the vehicle, the entire inlet, exhaust, EGR and cylinder head are cleansed without the use of any harmful chemicals or damage to the engine. So if your vehicle is lacking the power and performance and you're getting poor fuel economy, contact enginecarbonclean.com.au.